Welcome to my presentation on real-time power system dynamic simulation using the windowing-based waveform relaxation method. I am M. Al Mamoon, presenting the paper. The motivation behind this work is real-time dynamic simulations are needed to analyze the power system stability after some contingencies occurred. The differential algebraic equations is used to represent the dynamic model of power system. Here basically we deal with 6 equations. First equation represents the constant voltage at the generator terminal. This is because of the classical model, the classical representation of the generators. Second and third equations are the differential equations. Second equation represents the rotor angle, third one represents the rotor frequencies, and 4 to 6 represents the algebraic variables. So we can use the direct negation method to solve these equations. However, they require the smallest possible time step to capture the first test changing dynamic variable. So it could be inefficient for the larger systems. The waveform relaxation method is an iterative method and it is in parallel in nature. So parallel implementation could be possible using the waveform relaxation method. It basically splits the system into some subsystems and then solve each of the subsystems in parallel. However, WR itself could be inefficient because it might take longer time, high number of iterations. So windowing based waveform relaxation is applied, where the whole simulation time is divided into some windows and then each window is solved using the waveform relaxation. For the waveform relaxation, here we can see the system of DAE, where x is the state variables and y is the algebraic variables, and this is how the Gauss-Jacobi and Gauss waveform relaxation and Gauss-Seidel waveform relaxation are applied. And windowing based waveform relaxation is implemented by applying the Gauss-Jacobi waveform relaxation over each window sequentially. For the simulation overview, we have a 39 bus system with 20 seconds of simulation, and each step size is 0.5 seconds. And for the windowing based waveform relaxation, each time step is taken as a window. And to test the dynamics, the load on bus number 29 disconnects at 0.2 seconds, the load on 25 bus becomes doubled at 7.2 seconds, and the load on the bus 23 disconnects at 13.2 seconds, and all the disturbances remain for 0.2 seconds. So here we can see the waveform relaxation algorithm given here in detail. And for the results, we have done some case studies where you can see that waveform relaxation versus the direct negation method, and these are done based on the rotor, relative rotor angle and the rotor frequencies. And also for the windowing based waveform relaxation versus the direct negation method, it is also done based on the relative rotor angle and the rotor frequency, and we can see that the waveforms are very similar and the error is very small. Another case studies is done which is the percent error, and we can see that the percent error for windowing based waveform relaxation is much more less than the waveform relaxation. Performance with the different subsystems, we can see that when the subsystem is increasing, the solve time for waveform relaxation is decreasing. However, the solve time for windowing based waveform relaxation keeps almost same. And the performance with different simulation periods, we can see here that the solve time of waveform relaxation increases super linearly when the simulation time period is increasing, but for the windowing based waveform relaxation it is increasing linearly. So a real-time implementation could be possible using the waveform relaxation based on windowing technique. So this paper has presented waveform relaxation and windowing based waveform relaxation as the alternatives to the direct negation methods to solve power system DAEs. Waveform relaxation is parallel in nature, and distributed computation over different processors is possible, which will make the computation much more faster than the direct negation method. However, for a real-time point of view, the waveform relaxation itself lacks the necessary solution speed, and waveform relaxation, which windowing-based technique shows promising results for faster dynamical simulation of power systems that could be implemented on real-time simulators. Future work will focus on optimal partitioning techniques to create the subsystems and time parallelization of the windowing-based waveform relaxation for larger networks. Thank you.